na one common disaster every year during rainy season, and the primary cause for flooding na combination of the tropical rain and blocked drainage dem na the urban area and major tongue dem na the country. According to World Health Organization, inside September 2015, about 18,000 people dem mainly from flood-prone communities dem na Freetown be homeless because of the heavy rain. This dey cause dwelling structure dem for wash away, property dem for fuel, and family dem for scatter, and the livelihood of the affected community dem sef can mix up. For sake of dis, according to Grandma Koroma, wey na the director for research and training na Salone, the Urban Research Center and im partner dem don do engagements for get strategic flood risk assessment and management plan for 6 secondary cities dem na the country.
And mostly they definitely affect lives and properties. I mean, areas where people are much more, they don't build, for instance, within construct houses within wetlands or even floodplains. Kind of damage we will actually result as sort of flood the way they have to live in the area. So then quantification is done with one, and do some few hydraulic analysis. Flood risk hazard maps are also being developed, where at least at the end of the day, those hazard maps, exposure, vulnerability at risk, will also enable stakeholders for many to actually make an informed decision.
Peter Abdul Koroma be talk about the effect wey flooding get na dem community and wey make this engagement very important to them.
We dey get flooding almost every season. Na the one dem wey dey take the dirty dem dey go to Leone, and when to Leone, the gutter don flood, the water no able for move. Then wetin dey happen at the end of the day? E dey go na the streets dem. This workshop wey we get today is like an eye opener, because it's a study that they have done more specifically for the Waterloo axis, and they look at the hydrological and the hydraulic analysis. Now they use for do the studies, taking into consideration the risk factor, but even the risks, they use the heave method, that is the hazards exposure and vulnerability. So looking at the community, how hazardous the flooding will be to the community, and what it will expose the people into, and the vulnerability level.
For develop strategic flood risk assessment and management plan, go help for reduce flooding na the country. Fibian Simbo,